Hi guys, welcome to Homewood Spirit. My name is Vladimir and I have for you a little fun project. Today it's gonna be this little smiley dwarfy. It's reasonably easy and I'm sure you can make it with this step-by-step video. And hopefully you will spend some good time while listening to radio or watching television and making this little dwarf. I'm sure you will be very satisfied, or at least that were my feelings. I was very happy when I made it. So let's do it. I hope you are doing well, guys. This is the clay model I've made of this little dwarf. So I just modeled something and this came out, and I carved different little designs, and I ended up with this little wee fella, which I would like to show you today how to whittle. So today finally my glove arrived. So I have my anti-cut glove. I have this leather tumbly. So I hopefully will be safe. What else I need is the strop and of course sharp knife. So just like that, just a couple strokes each way, and that's about it. Sometimes we need to do more, but it depends on how sharp is our knife. Of course we need a whittling knife, a pencil, and I have here this little block. This is 2 inches and a quarter, something like 56 mil, and this was 30 by 30 mil, which was roughly about inch and a quarter. So I will start with drawing a center line here. That's gonna be my front. I also divide it in thirds, roughly, something like that. And this is gonna be the head, face, and this little bottom part I split in halves. So this here will be the hands, and this bottom will be for boots. So I just mark it all the way around. And now I want to make it also a little bit rounded from the top. So I do lines just about here, and also here. It gets a little bit confusing, but I'll explain it to you right now. So this is the front, and this will be the left side, back, and right side. All the same, these 3 sides. Just the front is a little bit different. And this was something like, what's that, 13 mil, so ½ inch, I believe. Yeah, something like that, ½ inch. And now we can start to cut. So I will start with the front. I'll just get rid of this material here, and basically I connect these 2 lines just like that. Same on the other side. I'm slicing with this knife. I start with this end and going to the tip, slicing like that, slicing, just like that. Yeah, that's enough. This is how it looks from the top. And I get rid of these corners. Oops, split was too much. So I turn it around and carve like that. It doesn't matter here because it's gonna be the head there, and this all will go away anyways. So just like that. Use brute force. Don't be afraid. Just get rid of the material. Right, so this is how it looks like now. Top view. Right. So this was the first third for the head. I will have a look at the back and divide it in half, and that's gonna be the bottom of the head at the back. And now I connect these two lines, the top of the head with the bottom of the head, with one curved line. This is not really one curved line because my hand is shaking, but yeah, you can do it, I'm sure. Just like that. And at the top, I do a little cross at the top, like that. So I know this is the center, and I wanna make my the top of the head out of the center, so I will position it somewhere here. And again, I connect this line with the circle at the top. Just don't be afraid, get a lot of material away. Just like that. Here what I do is that I pull with this wood holding hand, and I push and slice with the knife holding hand, just like that. Just don't worry, it's just a piece of wood, right? So a little brute force will be alright. Just like that. Always check the top. Yeah, that's about it. This is the front view. This is the top view. And now I want to make this little ball at the top of the head. So I start with the front view, mark it somewhere here, and I will do a curved line. This is the side view, and I'll end somewhere at the back. And again, slice and slice towards it. Kind of like a stop cut, and slice towards it. Stop cut, slice. Stop cut, slice. Tidy it up. Done. And pairing cuts to make the ball rounded at the top. Just like that. Yep. And we have the head. Easy as. Yeah. So the next thing is that I'm going to make these cuts a little bit rounded. So see how there are the corners. I just want to make it more rounded. if this happens, such a split like that, we can always clean it. The wood is quite forgiving material, just like that. Always carve with the grain, and or try to carve with the grain. And if it doesn't go, if it splits, you can turn it around or gently slice it like that. So I just get rid of these corners to make it more rounded, especially here in the front. This is the front, right? So especially here in the front, I wanna get it ready. Just like that. And the next step is I mark again the rim of the head. Just like that. This is the rim of the head. And I will go with these stop cuts and slicing cuts towards them. Stop cut, slicing cuts. Stop, cut, slice. Stop, slice. Stop and slice. All the way around. Along that line I just marked. There we go. Yeah. There we go. The front. You can go deeper as well if you want, but this will do. This will do so far. And you can always tidy it up. See this little nick. I just take it away. Right, and we have our head. The next step is that I carve from this line to this corner here, just to make the coat visible and get rid of this edge here. So try to do it with one slice from here and aim straight to the corner here. From here straight to the corner. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. That's about it. And run slice through the corner, and these will fall off. Tidy it up. And that's it. There's a coat. Like that. The next step is this bottom line for the boots. We'll divide the coat and the boots. So what I do is I start with the tip of the boot here, somewhere in the middle. I mean, yeah, in here in the middle, and I slice down and cut through here. Slice down, cut through here. Just like that. So it looks something like this. And make these rounded because here will be the hand. Here will be the hand, and that's gonna be very delicate carving, but yeah, I just want to divide it now. So I do the same thing here on the other side. Just, yeah, there we go. Tidy it up, make it round, just like that, and the rest I do cut like this and slice towards it. So stop cut and cut, or few cuts towards it. The stop cut can be done by wiggling the wood into the knife and using my thumb pushing the knife in the wood, or I push always with the thumb and I slice it like that and slice and slice and slice, just like this. So again, slice and cut. It's usually better to do these slicing cuts, slice like that. It's easier, but I will talk about it later in other videos. Yep. Let's make it reasonably deep. Just like that. And the coat is here. And yeah, we're quite ready to do some delicate carving and do the arms and hands and then the face. And then we finish the boots. Alright, let's try it from this point of view here and mark the hands. So this is the third for the face, this is the third for the hands and the boots. So this will be the top of the hands. Mark them somewhere here and here. This is a little bit tricky for me to tell you exactly where to mark the hands, but yeah, what can I say? Just mark the hands like this and copy it to the other side, just like that. This one somewhere here and up to here and there. Okay, hands marked, right? This is how it looks like. And let's start to do these detailed, delicate cuts. Let's start with the V cut here. Just cut all along the line. Like that, and get rid of it. Yeah, this is it. I also try to cut out the mark of the pencil mark, see? So that's quite important as well, so you don't need to clean it afterwards. And now with this bottom sleeve, just cut in here and cut in there. Just like that. Same here. There we go. So the sleeve is showing up. Stop cut in here to divide the hands and the boots, and a little V cut over here. You can go quite deep at the end, and get rid of it like that. And here this tricky part, just clean it up, something like this. With the triangular cuts, you will get there, just like that. Can get rid of this a little bit. Yep, and the hand is out. Same on the other side. So I will do the V cut. See how deep I am here, and then I go shallow. Start shallow and go deep. And this one, tidy it up, something like that. Cut in here. And yeah, the arm is out. We can also yeah, just how to say it, like make this coat yeah, a little bit going up at this end here, and that's it. So the arms are out. Now I can do the collars. So just let's mark them just to see what I'm doing. So here will be the collar, and another one. Oops! Oh my God, that was close. Just fell into my lap. Wow. Okay, now I'm safe. I will need another glove probably down there. Okay, don't listen to me. And let's do the V cut like that. And same in here. Right. And now I lay the blade a little bit flatter and cut this out. And again, cut this out, just like that. And with the hands, I also slice in here, and this is kind of like a rounded cut to pronounce the hands, that the hands end and they are not part of the sleeve. See how it's going, how it's kind of like going into the sleeve. So trying to do the same on the other side. I mean down here, cut and round bit, cut and slice, and that's it. Sleeves, hands are coming out just with a few cuts. Get rid of the pencil mark, and that's it. And yeah, we can have a look at the face. This will be the fun part. So, bottom of the nose, somewhere in the middle. Top of the nose, let's say somewhere here. And stop cuts. One stop cut. Also, if you don't want to do the whole cut to the stop cut, just do gentle small cuts like that. Over time you'll be able to do just one cut towards your stop cut. This stop cut, the bridge of the nose, just like that. And the lines for the nose will be somewhere here. So again, what I do is, like with that, if you didn't see it, there was the Smiling Wood Spirit video. It's pretty much similar start of the face. Just like that. Similar here. And cut it out. Just be a little bit careful here, because you can slice way too much past this line and blow the eyebrow off. So like that. Then these corners of the nose, can always tidy it up. These corners, and this will be a little bit different face from that Wood Spirit. So I just mark these rounded circles from this corner to the nose to the eyebrow here, and use the V-cuts. So I go closer so you can see it, because this is really detailed and delicate carving. Just go deep about 2 millimeters, like that, and like that. Yep. Okay, that's the first one, and the second one, I just need to focus now, really. Just like that. Every little move can really damage the whole thing. So be extra focused here. Something like that. Sweet. We can also shape the nose because it was a little bit edgy. Just like that. Get rid of the pencil mark. And then cut under the nose, so we will make it pronounced, just like that. Just a little bit. It's quite small whittling project, so just a little bit will do. And let's do the eyes. So just from somewhere here, from the half, draw a line to here and here. And let's see what we're gonna get. Again, I do V-cut. 1, 2, just like that, and 1 and 2. There he is. He's got eyes as well. And I promise I will do some grumpy face one day. Maybe next time. But for now, I wanna keep it smiley. Just another V-cut, like that. Yep, there we go. This is the little smiling fella. I would like to show you one more trick here on the sleeves. So with these 2 cuts, we will make the sleeve crumpled. Just like that, look at that. Just 2 cuts and it changes the shape and the look of the dwarf. Same on the other side. Just like that. 1 and second one. Ta-da! So that can be a little improvement. And we are ready to do the boots. That's the last part. So this is the bottom. Divide it in half. Mark the boots. Somewhere here. And let's carve them. We can use splitting. See how the wood splits? All I do is just follow the line and make the wood split. And tidy it up later. Just like that. One cut in the back. You can do small cuts like this gradually, or one bigger cut like that, and do the stop cut here. Just like that. Same in the front. one cut, follow the lines. Just like that. Little cut under the hands. There we go. And we can start to tidy it up. By tidying it up, I mean getting rid of all these splits. So we will carve with the grain now, or at least we will try to. Like that. And that. Very gently. Like this. With the grain. Like that. That's about it. Just making it smooth. See this front, how it's split. We can always make it look better. Getting rid of these splits as well. So let's have a look at it. Split here. Done. That's it, his boots. Just want to show you one last detailed thing, and that is that I go like this all the way around. Maybe just 1 mil in. I use my thumb as a guide. I have just noticed that I forget to put my tumbly on again. So not a really good example. But luckily I didn't cut myself in the thumb. Just like that. Gently. Really gently. Because it's very easy to blow the sole off. Like that. And again, in here. Especially with these cuts, these paring cuts, use the thumb protector. All right, we are almost there. Done. Tidy the last tidying, like that, and there we go. Little dwarfy. Yeah, so this was a little fun project for you guys, and thank you for watching again. I hope you had a fun time, and it's gonna help you a little bit as well with your carving and whittling. And I will be looking forward to show you something else in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.